G'day guys, welcome back to the Ford Transit series. This is episode 3 and today we are putting in the cube shelving, Autosafe Cube Shelving into this Transit van. Got these little tacos, as we like to call them, little brackets. We put these into place first in the shelving uprights and then it will make it a lot easier to put the shelves on top of those. Okay, so we've got the base mounts on, we've got the AEJ joiners for the shelves to mount onto, got the cable reel holder mounts down the bottom, so now time to put on the first shelf. So you slide these little nuts into place and then just half tighten them. Don't go full extent, because what you want to do is just slide it into place where you want to put it. So in this instance, I think this rear bay is having 4 shelves, so I'm going to put 4 of these in. Time to put that base mount on. So flip it up on its end, get the base mount, and I'll put those nuts and bolts in beforehand. So they should just slot into place straight into these channels. Alright, now time for the top mounts. So same thing, got the bolt and nuts, and basically what you want to do is just line it up. So this is actually meant to go the other way around. Well guys, there you have it. The shelving has been installed, been put together. We've got the long uni-strut rail across the top as well. So this is what the mounts will pick up off going into the factory points in the roof. Yeah, so basically the next step is recommend 2 people to carry, because it does get a little bit heavy. Lift it into the van. We are going to put a lockbox in at some point, but that's not ready yet. So that will be coming in future episodes. So let's put it in the van.